Welcome! Today, we'll show you how to build your dream gaming PC. This step-by-step tutorial will make it easy. Let's get started, holding a computer case. First, choose your case. It's the foundation of your build. Make sure it's the right size for your components. Installing the motherboard. Next, install the motherboard. Carefully align it with the standoffs. Secure it with screws. This is the heart of your PC. Holding a CPU. Now, it's time for the CPU. Gently place it into the socket. Make sure the triangle marks align. Lock it in place. Applying thermal paste to the CPU. Apply a small amount of thermal paste. This ensures good heat transfer. Installing the CPU cooler. Install the CPU cooler. Attach it firmly to the CPU. Connect the fan to the motherboard. Holding RAM sticks. Next, install the RAM. Find the memory slots on the motherboard. Push the RAM sticks in until they click. Installing the power supply. Now, install the power supply. Secure it at the bottom of the case. Connect the necessary cables to the motherboard. Holding a graphics card. Let's add the graphics card. Insert it into the PCIe slot. Secure it with screws. Connect the power cables. Installing storage drives. Install your storage drives. Use SSDs for faster performance. Connect them to the motherboard with SATA cables. Connecting cables and managing them neatly. Connect all the cables. Keep your cables tidy. Use zip ties for better cable management. Placing the side panel back on the case. Put the side panel back on. Your PC build is almost complete. Plugging in the PC and turning it on. Plug in your PC and power it on. Check if everything works. If not, recheck your connections. Smiling at the camera. Congratulations! You've built your dream gaming PC. Enjoy your new setup. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. Subscribe for more tech tutorials.